So I think it's day 3. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. What day is it today? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, day 4. So we've had a quiet day today. We just had breakfast and just hang around town for a bit. It's now 2:45 and we're just about to go to a cooking class. So we're doing a night class, so I think it's for about 6 hours. So we go to a market first and then cook about 5 dishes. I'm just waiting for Dan to come downstairs and then we're good to go.
So did she say we have to buy our own drinks here? Did she?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so at the local market, and I have to spend the next 5 hours with that. Typical tourist, elephant pants, gay elephant bag. Okay.
Is this where you buy everything for your cooking?
Oh no, I just introduced for they have one staff for buy everything for us. We don't need to buy anything. So for the dish shop, I will show you some the curry plate for today. Today, everyone you have to make your own curry plate by mortar, like Thai people will do, alright, like a Thai style. That means you can decide for your curry plate. If you love spicy, then you can add all the chili for I give for you. If you need more spicy, you can ask me to get some more chili. But if you cannot eat any spicy, don't try to add some chili in your curry plate. This one is a red curry. This one I show you for how it's smooth and fried. Do not to smell, okay? Just look is how it's smooth and fried. Because you have to make your curry plate.
I don't care, as long as you don't associate yourself with me while you're wearing those pants, I don't care what you do.
I'm going to wear them on the plane home.
Too late.
These are the best thing to wear on the plane home.
Oh, if you actually wear them on the plane home and I'll stay for a few more days.
I feel like I'm wearing pajamas, but it's fashion. You should see
But
this.
is it fashion?
No,
Here it
it's
is.
not.
Here it is.
I know when I get home I'll just wear them around the house. If you want a farmer's hat,
If you want farmer hat with you, you can put the farmer hat also.
oh that's fun.
Show me.
The pants make it complete.
They do.
Oh, Jesus.
It's nice, huh?
Thank you.
Don't encourage him.
That's so good. Oh, they want jackfruit. There you go. Do you have one of them at home?
Jackfruit, yes.
No, that plant. Whereabouts is that plant?
Jackfruit's there.
That
The Kaffir
plant?
lime?
Yeah. Where's that in your house?
In front of the pool. Trust me, if it's a Thai or an Asian herb or fruit, I've probably got it.
For the green one, for the papaya, for the green one in Thailand, we use for make some papaya salad, and we add in the curry also. We use them like a some washable. After cook, the meat of the papaya is get more sweet taste. Okay, we use the same ingredient for tom yum, tom kha, tom sap. Alright, we use the same ingredient, just a little bit different for the liquid I give for you. Galangal, shallot, and lemongrass inside the pot. Add inside.
Oh, you've got coconut milk.
For the next step, this one for only tom yum. Tom yum. You have the Thai chili paste for tom yum. This one for tom yum. Before you add the Thai chili paste in your soup, you need to taste a little bit. For make sure not so spicy for you. 1 tablespoon for fish sauce or soy sauce. This one soy sauce and
Fish, always fish.
yeah, 1 tablespoon this one.
When you say the orange, you mean like the tail part or the actual meat?
No, the
part?
meat.
The meat?
In the meat. Yeah.
So your shrimp will only
Yeah.
Good. Turn off
Good.
now?
Yeah, turn off. Because shrimp, if you boil it long time, the shrimp is get more hard. The first I will show for the spring roll. Only you and me.
Okay, we're the special ones, yeah.
Spring roll, very easy for the ingredient, not so much. For the second one, egg. For the third one, pad thai, you need to add noodle and sauce together, alright? And the last one is some wasabi. If you cook pad thai, you need to add wasabi, sauce and noodles in the same time.
Just okay.
Yeah,
Yep.
right. And then we take for the last paper here, come to over your spring roll. For you to cook. And then use some finger for push it back. Alright, that's not okay. And then roll it up until in the middle for the paper. That okay.
Yep.
Okay. Then time to take both sides. Come to in the middle for the paper. Yep. And then roll it up one time. Now you can add some water on the top for the paper. This one is like a glue.
Yep.
Make a paper is a little bit wet for make a good cloth. When we fry, the paper is not open. And then roll it until the end. Really fast. That's so good. Ah,
Okay, that one okay?
yeah, done. Nice for the first time.
Wow, look at your spring rolls. Where we all get one?
And you can have one of mine.
Hey, stop first. Stop. This one is like a warm your arm. For the next one, this one is hard for you. Yeah, add everything in coconut milk inside your pot, then stir again. Mix them. Do a good mix. After you mix it already, leave it for boiling. If you turn off the heat already, now time to taste your soup. Time to taste your soup. You have a small spoon, alright? If you need more sweet, salty, you can add for what you like. After we boiling palm sugar in coconut milk.
You know what I did at home? We have palm sugar syrup, so like liquid. But I cook Thai at home and I have palm sugar, put it in the dish and then some for me, drink it, and then get too fat, so I have to stop.
Of course. This one also.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Together and about 2 weeks.
Yeah.
More. This one dangerous if
Yeah.
eat together. Okay. Someone have tried sticky rice before? Yes. You love it, alright? Yes. Sticky rice, before we steam, we need to soak the seed of them in the water for like a temperature room for 4 hours or overnight. Like a local people, they eat sticky rice every day, alright? They just soak it before they sleep. When they wake up in the morning, then they steam. We steam for half hour or until the middle for the seed. It gets so soft. That's it, cook. Right. You can see in the walking street, they have only white color, alright, for the sticky rice. Today you have blue or green. Everything get more special, then can get more price. The last one, we top with the coconut cream again. So, done. Wow. Now you can take one bowl and one your mango and decorate your dessert.
Lucky you have the flowers, right?
Right. This one, okay, I just show you. Right. Then we eat, we mix everything.
I didn't cut my onion properly.
Some chili I put on the table, okay? The chili for the Khao Soi.
There you go.
Thank you.
Me too.
Oh, yours came out really pretty. Is at home. And because I don't want to eat what I'm not meant to eat this time, so.
So what's your dessert? Banana.
Mine is coconut banana. Like a minion. Banana.
You're not going to start that again, are you?
Yeah, like do we eat these eggplant things? Do you
Yeah.
have those in yours? Yeah.
Yeah.